Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Greetings, people. Some sources of mine have informed me that Spice, not too long now, has landed in the United States at an executive private section of a Fort Lauderdale airport, and that she came in by air ambulance from the Dominican Republic. Again, sources informed me that allegedly, reportedly, Spice is now in the United States, that she has landed in Fort Lauderdale, and she came in privately, and that they said she's walking, but it's quite obvious that she's not in good shape, understandable given the ordeal that she went through. Again, just want to remind you, allegations are that, again, allegedly, reportedly, that Spice went to the Dominican Republic to secure plastic surgery in the form of a tummy tuck and other things, and that complications ensued, resulting in her having sepsis. Allegedly, reportedly, she used a surgeon who Spice was the third person that he worked on. In other words, it's only 2 times before Spice he did this type of a surgery. Allegedly, reportedly. Allegedly, reportedly, she suffered what the medical personnel are terming a perforated intestine. And that basically intestine, what we call tripe, that, carries our waste that we end up excreting, as in feces and urinal type of thing that's not supposed to be in your body, obviously, because that's why the body gets rid of it. It's highly toxic, highly poisonous and thing. So apparently the surgeon, in his, whether mistake or incompetence, perforated her intestine, which perforate is a bossy term, means emboss our intestines, whether it big or small and whatever. But the contents seeped from her intestines into her body, ended up poisoning her. I am not an expert on this, but the medical personnel have informed me that this sepsis thing is super, super serious, incredibly serious, and that unfortunately, when I bring down a bad vibes by now, but unfortunately, a lot of people who have this type of sepsis, they don't make it. Supposedly also, this is not unusual for women who are doing cosmetic surgery. People, I should say, who are doing cosmetic surgery and plastic surgery of this sort, that this thing has happened before. I don't know how significant the numbers are with this, but apparently these things have happened before. So when this happens, when the contents from your intestines seep inside your body, the body does what, your immune reaction is triggered. So the body tries to protect itself and basically combating, that poison that is now in the body. And that process leads to, a serious inflammation. It's like war in your belly, right? And when that process ensues, the sepsis, it can overwhelm your organs, causing all kinds of failures in your organs, and result in various forms of it can yield various results. Some you're still here, but you lose function of certain parts of your body, and sometimes some brain issues, and sometimes some fatality. Saying all this to say that it's pretty serious. It's very, very serious. And, and many of you were concerned about her getting back to the United States. So if these reports are true, it would mean that her being back here, the assumption is she'll be able to secure better care here in the United States as opposed to being in the Dominican Republic. So we should wish her all the best. And, as she continues her rehabilitation and her healing from this very, 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 very serious situation. Again, Spice, allegedly, reportedly, came in from the Dominican Republic today, not too long ago, and and she landed in Fort Lauderdale and came in on an air ambulance, and she's going through the process now of securing better care, for her ailment here in the United States of America. All right, bless up.